So let's do a quick revision of all the international organizations and their headquarters. First of all, we'll see whose headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland. So in Geneva, Switzerland, we have the headquarters of United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, and then World Health Organization. After that, we have International Labour Organization, then International Committee of the Red Cross, then WTO, that is World Trade Organization, then World Meteorological Organization, then World Intellectual Property Organization, then International Organization for Standardization. After that, we have Federation International des Esquires. So all these organizations' headquarters are in Geneva, Switzerland, and we'll see all the international organizations whose headquarters are in New York, US. So United Nations Organization, after that United Nations Children Fund, and United Nations Population Fund, and UN Women. So all these four international organizations headquarters are in New York. Now we will see international organizations whose headquarters are in London, UK. So Amnesty International, International Maritime Organization, and Commonwealth of Nations. After that, we'll see all the international organizations whose headquarters are in Vienna, Austria. So there are three international organizations whose headquarters are in Vienna. They are United Nations Industrial Development Organization, then International Atomic Energy Agency, after that Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Now let's see whose headquarters are in Washington DC, US. So we have two international organizations. They are International Monetary Fund and World Bank Group. So they have their headquarters in Washington DC. Now let's take a look on the other important international organizations. So they are Universal Postal Union. They have their headquarters in Bern, Switzerland. After that, International Olympic Committee, whose headquarter is in Lausanne, Switzerland. Then International Hockey Federation, its headquarter is also in Lausanne, Switzerland. Then Federation International the Football Association, its headquarter is in Zurich, Switzerland. After that, we have two international organizations whose headquarters are in Gland, Switzerland. They are Worldwide Fund for Nature and International Union for Conservation of Nature. After that, we have two international organizations whose headquarters are in Paris. They are UNESCO and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. The other international organizations are, so in Hague, Netherlands, we have two international organizations headquartered. They are International Court of Justice and the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. Then in Beijing, China, we have the headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Then in Shanghai, China, we have the headquarters of New Development Bank. Then Asian Development Bank has its headquarters in Manila, Philippines. After that, NATO's headquarters is in Brussels, Belgium. Then South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is SARC, its headquarters is in Kathmandu, Nepal. Then in Jakarta, Indonesia, we have the headquarters of Association of Southeast Nations. Then in Singapore, we have the headquarters of Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Then in UAE, we have two international organizations headquartered. They are International Renewable Energy Agency and International Cricket Council. Then in Rome, Italy, we have the headquarters of Food and Agricultural Organization. Then in Berlin, Germany, we have Transparency International. And in Munich, Germany, we have the headquarters of International Shooting Sport Federation. Then in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, we have the headquarters of Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Then in Ibn, Mauritius, we have the headquarters of Asian Ocean Rim Association. And in Monaco, we have the headquarters of International Association of Athletics Federations. That's all. Thank you.